I went to Target and got this, as you can see, and today I'm going to be unboxing it. So yeah, all I'm going to do is get everything out of it. Pretty boring, but let's do this. I'm going to need scissors. Right. If you want to know how I open boxes, that's how I do it. There we go. So, we got these, the most important thing. Ooh, we got some stone bricks. Or not stone bricks, but oh well. Ooh, we got some backgrounds. Or blocks, I think you have to make. And all that stuff. You have the platform, I think this is. Box up some more. Good enough. Come on. Monster. Oh god, this is huge. There. Camera on. So this is the building platform, which is huge. I'm guessing that thing, this right here. Oh god, I'm gonna fall. I think that's for the background. So yeah, that's all for this video. Bye for now. And the only reason this is short is because I can't make long videos.